Alright guys, what's cracking with y'all butt cheeks? We got a short video for you guys today. We're gonna delete the rear windshield wiper off of the SC. So I don't have any front windshield wipers. I took that off when I did the turbo. Then we put it back on because I actually like the way it looks without wipers. But I'm gonna go and back the car in and then we'll get that video started for you guys. So the car is inside and I'm gonna have my fine assistant right here basically do the install. We're gonna basically shadow him, tell him how to do it. He already knows what needs to be done, so there's not much. Just pop this. What you mean? Oh god. Here, just get where's that pencil I had? Oh, right here.
Oh, that's so stupid.
What you mean, man?
First of all, you took the moth off with that.
Forgot about that.
I hate you.
Okay, well, that's how you're gonna have to take it off.
Mr. Panel Popper. He does this for a living, guys.
I'm professional. First of all, this is already tight.
Yeah, see? It's broken.
Those are 8mm. Let me go get the focus.
No cheeks.
So after taking this handle off of this part right here, there's gonna be 7mm bolts on these two and the ones over there, and after that I think you just pull it down. So, well, I know. Alright, well, okay, those are just clips. Don't break it, man. You break it by pull.
I don't want to break it.
Alright, here, let me do it then.
I'd rather you break it.
This is my install now.
I wasn't gonna do it anyways. That was.
Aww.
See? Look, that's exactly why I did not want to do it.
It's freaking hard, you.
Right here, you gotta pop this one. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's because it's those type of clips. It's the metal ones.
Yeah.
What is that?
Bro, you're gonna break your car.
You gotta do it first. Ready?
No. No. You're gonna break it. Dude, that did not sound good.
No, it's because it's the metal clips. I can legit see it and it's not coming down.
Where? I don't see them.
See? You see?
Oh, they're at the weird angle.
Yeah, these type of clips, you gotta get your hand in there and...
Yep, didn't do anything.
What the heck, yo?
It's already... Yeah, you got lucky.
I know that didn't sound good, but we're good.
Yikes.
We're good.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 things. Holding this one panel that does nothing but covers something. Whatever.
I don't know if we should take this off first, but watch your head. Or we should take this off, because I know like in order to take this off, you kind of like, yeah, something simple like that. The homeboy that tinted my back window, he must have got the motor for it wet, because even with the switch off, it would literally wipe my windows. So it's kind of a big deal because I knew I was going to delete it anyways, but still, just if you get your windows tinted, make sure that they don't get that motor wet.
There you go. That's why I was trying to wiggle it. You just needed to break it loose.
Let me find out it's...
No, you just wiggle it out.
No, not even.
Yes, it is.
Looks like it's threaded in.
Oh, yeah. So now we got a little winky sticking out. Oh, shit.
Some people were like, you don't even have to buy it. Just take the windshield off and have that sticking up. That's the stolen way of doing it. It's off. Just take that off. And then let it down. You gotta push it through.
That part comes off?
Yeah. And boom.
You got a nice hole in your shit.
It's off. I mean, at this point, you can just stop at the insulation and you're good to go. I don't know. Here, open it.
Calm. This makes us go fast, guys.
$40 just to plug my windshield wiper.
Anyway.
So first question, what is this? Second question, why is there so many zip ties? There's only one harness. Third question, what is this nipple for? All you have to do is, so it comes with a gasket. Put that gasket on the plug,
Yeah.
just like that. And then it comes with the nut. And obviously you just put the plug on there, put the nut on, screw it in.
But why is there so many?
I don't know. I don't even understand what What is that? Like, what could it possibly be for?
I'm lost. Yeah.
Or I wonder if no, that wouldn't make sense though. Let me see.
Does it go like this? It goes small, medium, large.
No. Where's the?
Look like this.
No, that's dumb. It's just gonna make it stick up.
No, that's why it sticks in.
I don't know. We'll figure it out though, I guess. Where's that bracket that I had?
You know, I had I still have it. The RSX windshield.
You still have it?
The delete one. I never put it on.
I wonder if this goes. That's stupid. Never mind.
But so how? Okay, I'm gonna screw it on. But
That's okay. So yeah, that's what I was saying. So I wonder if this goes across it to tighten it. You know what I mean? That's probably what happens.
Okay.
That's actually what I was exactly gonna say, but I was like, it's dumb. But I
Why
guess
is there three different holes?
That's another question that I had. So that's probably, I'm guaranteed that's how it's supposed to go. Sick. He loses it.
Okay. Well, anyways, obviously they have different gaskets because it goes to different cars.
Oh, true. You're right about that. It actually does because it fits a Mazda and it fits a GTI.
Yeah.
So you're right about that. I forgot. So we figured out what those nipples were for earlier. So it's basically used to protect the paint. So or window. I said paint. The window. So it basically sticks this bracket out right here, and like I said, it like levitates, so it protects the window. I'd be mad. So there's gonna be a moment of truth right here. Plugs in. We're about to do a water test. After I just cleaned, but whatever. Good.
Ready?
Do it from up here. You're just gonna get this all wet.
I was like, oh,
for real. No, there's no water.
He washed the car but added no tire shine.
Apparently I can't. I was gonna get some scissors. Mom's gonna be mad.
Look, I installed this sick ass cop sticker. Oh fuck.
Little barber scissors.
ST, bro, but he ain't gonna get no wheels. Just a good meme. Come on, Teach. Come on, Rube.
But it's gonna be, you know how like mine's like not one strip, you know what I mean? Like it's like blotchy, whatever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to make it one strip, and it's gonna be a demon now.
Just a good meme. I like that sticker right there.
Really? Why? It is cricket.
It's because I had to put it on fast. I put it inside. I put it when you went inside.
Well, okay, do me a favor. Come over here and hit that corner. Just hit it like that. Hit it harder. Use your muscles. Like that. There you go. And then that's good. This is held in by screws, so. But yeah, that's how we put it back together. All right, man. Show us what's up with this tire shine.
I can't show him what it is though. So let me just hold it like this.
This man is trying to be so confidential. So we got this. There's this special tire shine that's like apparently better than the rest that only AutoZone sells, or not AutoZone, O'Reilly sells. So we gonna test and we gonna see how good it is.
You ready?
Apparently there's a special. Don't get my wheel.
It's impossible not to get your wheel.
Oh my god! You should have told me that before.
Cleaning it?
Yeah.
But it doesn't leave like the residue like that one leaves. Look at that. It looks wet, bro.
Literally, huh? Okay.
Tell me that doesn't work.
Okay. So if this product actually does work, then I'll let you guys know the name of it. But until then, it's gonna be confidential. How it looks now is how it literally looks all the time. Wet. Like I said, I'll let you guys know.
I've been really trying, baby. Trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on.